welcome to my channel. Today I will unbox 3 gifts. These 2 given by my auntie and this gift given by my mama. Okay, let's open them. Wow, this is a pichkari. Wow. Wow, this is a water gun. In Hindi we say it pichkari. It is used in holi. Oh wow. Now I will unwrap this big one. This is a ring game. Wow, it is so big. Thank you, Auntie, and thank you, Sachi Didi, for a lovely gift. Now I will open LCD writing tablet. Oh. Look, now I will show you how to do it. Look, it is stylish. This is erasing button. This is a pen with we write on this. Look, it is unlock and lock. Here is replacement battery. Okay. I will show you how to write on it. You take out this pen and first you on this lock and unlock button. You do an unlock and then write anything and now we can erase this with this. Ruko. This is my YouTube channel name, Keshav ki Duniya. Now I will show you one more function. How to erase it. If you press this button, it will go erase. Look. And again, it is a very lovely tablet. It helps in learning. YA. Now I will meet in next video. Take care. Subscribe. Bye bye. My channel Keshav ki Duniya. Bye bye.